Hi creators, so in this video we'll be looking at examples, an example. So if you're given a sequence like this, I said the order that you should follow is you first check the ratios and then the differences. So by checking the ratio, we see that 10/5 is 2 and 20/10 is also 2. Therefore we have a constant ratio. Therefore this is a geometric sequence with a is equals to 5, r equals to 10/5, which is equals to 20/10, which is equals to 2. Therefore the nth term is equals to arn minus 1, which is equals to the first term multiplied by r and minus 1. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.